Nithyananda everyone, I welcome each and every one of you once again, and now we are going to be learning about the instrument which is called as the thiruchinnam. This thiruchinnam was given directly by Parameshwara himself to Thiruchinnam. So that is the reason the name is thiruchinnam. So the chinnam exactly means a symbol of a you can tell it as a brand picture. So for any company, you take it as a water bottle, some water bottle company or a cool drinks company or whatever it is. So they have a separate brand picture, right? So like that, the chinnam exactly means that brand picture. So because it is directly given by Parameshwara himself to Thiruchinnam, it is named as thiruchinnam. So now, and it is blown and played almost in all the South Indian temples, and especially in Shiva temples, this thiruchinnam is played. So now I am going to be showing you all how to blow this thiruchinnam. So this one is not like the old video which I taught you, right? In that video we have seen how to blow the thiruchinnam, where we have learned how to blow with one thiruchinnam. So now I am going to be showing you all how to blow with two thiruchinnams, double thiruchinnams, you can see here. So you just take it like this and hold it however you are comfortable with. You should be comfortable, because only you are comfortable, then you will have place and time for blowing it. So you just take it like this, and here you see it, right? You just attach it and keep it on your lips gently, and so you keep it in the blowing position. So keep it like this, and wherever you are comfortable, keep it and start blowing it like this. So that's how you basically blow the thiruchinnam. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Nithyanandam.